So first I will show you how to add wefts to the wefted wig. You will need brush and comb. You will need clips. You will need scissors, pins, then thread with needles. So you can use invisible thread, or I'm using this thread in the color of the wig, and I prefer this round needle, but if you don't have it you can use the straight needle as well. And if you need, you can use the threader. And then of course you need the wefts, and also you will need the block. It's not necessary, but it's easier. If you don't have it, then you have to really be careful how you use the wig. It's not easy, but you can do it even without the block, but the block it's much better. So first we will place the wig on the block. So be careful, don't pull it too much. Then I will use the pins. When you pin it, be careful, don't make holes in the frontal lace or on the silk. This wig is with the silk top, so start pinning maybe in the ear area here. Always when you put the pin through, if you feel any resistance, just stop and find where is the hole actually in the mesh. So I am placing the pins around the edge of the wig and few in the back. So now it's good to little bit brush the hair. We need to divide the hair and find the place where we will put the weft. I have machine wefts, but I wouldn't advise it because you can't cut them in the exactly sizes what you need, and they are not that flat like this. These wefts are flat. So let's do the sections. For sectioning is the best use the fishtail comb because it has this sharp end, and when adding volume it's the best to use the back area, like the lower back area. Better to put it somewhere in this area, the back area, like lower back area. So I will find the section, and to secure the hair I will use the clips. Now I will use this thread with this needle, and I will do knot in the end, double knot. So the thread is ready, and now I will choose the correct weft. Now I will pin the weft on the correct place. So I pin it in the hole between the wefts, and I can start. So I remove the first pin, I start on the weft, and I am just using the in and out stitches. I try to go around the hem of the weft, not inside but around. And the last stitch will be again double knot. Now I remove the clips. And now, because the weft was longer than the hair, we will cut the hair. But the weft is now here. And now I will show you how to remove the weft. If there is weft which you don't like in any place, you can remove the weft. So I will remove the weft which I just put there. So when you want add or remove volume, it's the best to do it in the back. So again, we will find the weft which we want to remove and section it with the clips. And now you can use scissors or the cutter, but the scissors are the best, and just cut the thread carefully. You then make a hole in the mesh, so the weft is gone. And now carefully I will remove the pins. And now I need to add some wefts on the topper. First I will place it on the block. So this is topper. So it's gonna be to the back. This is the returns. The returns go on the back or the topper inside, not to be visible. Also, you can play with the colors if you want add any darker or lighter shades. So my client asked to add this blonde one, so I will just put it here inside. So now I will pin it.